As you probably already know, with the latest Android Auto update, many apps stopped working. To fix this, you can try installing an older version of Android Auto. And in this video, I'll show you how to do this step by step. Before start, remember that mirroring apps like CarStream, CarTube, Screen2Auto and others are not officially supported by Google and unfortunately do not work on all phones. At the moment, the biggest issues are with the Oppo smartphones and with Android 11, so be careful. To make mirroring apps to work again on Android Auto, we can do a few things. One of these is to downgrade Android Auto and roll back to a working version with AAAD. First step, uninstall Android Auto. Go to Phone Settings, open App Settings and uninstall Android Auto. If you can't uninstall it, try disabling the app. Once Android Auto is uninstalled, we need to check phone's processor type. This is most important. If you don't know how to do that, install Droid Hardware Info from the Play Store. In this way, you can download the correct version of Android Auto for your phone. Now we are ready to install Android Auto. Open Chrome or another browser and go to the download page of Android Auto 6.3. You can find the link in the description of this video. Download the version of Android Auto compatible with your phone CPU. Install the APK you've just downloaded and check that the installation was successful. Now you need to prevent the phone from installing the latest version of Android Auto. To do this, you have to block automatic updates on Play Store. So, open Play Store, tap on the top right icon and select Settings, go to General, tap Auto Update Apps and select Don't Auto Update Apps. Also disable automatic system apps updates by going into your phone settings. And that's